windy on day 25. Menacing. This is Breast Hill. This is 1,000 metres of climbing, and this is our challenge for the day around the corner. We go up there. Yes. Yes. We're going up Breast Hill, which I think is that one. The arrival at Stody's hut, I declare the Battle of Breast Hill won.
We've already had couscous and now we're having mashed potatoes with spice mix and tuna.
Day 26. We're going from here at Stody's hut to Top Timaru. Apparently it's going to be a bit of a grind, so we're away and Ilky's already lost. I'm going to go with C5.
Yes.
Day 27 and the wind is back. Up the saddle and head to the Ahuriri River. Let's go. Here's our four-wheel drive track. Looks like it hasn't been used in a long time. I think that might be the reason. It's a big slide. Crazy that this little creek can cause all of this. There we go, Master's Saddle. Up into there. It's going to be a good morning. Saddle, and you just keep coming. every lunch stop is idyllic. Crossing point. Selection, but it's not been chosen. Quite a unique place. You come in, you can see it's not even rough cut timber, it's just bits of logs. The beds are made from wire. There's 2 with mattresses, 2 with bits of carpet, 2 with unfortunate back injuries. I slept on the floor, but it was warm. It shook a bit when it was windy, but it kept us dry in the storm, literally. Yeah. We just had a wind change. And here comes southerly in the rain. You can certainly see the hail on the back of Ilky's bag now. We're going downhill with it to our backs. There's some people just ahead of us coming into view that are coming up the hill, I think. They're going to be doing it tough. Alright, the hail stopped, still a chilly southerly blowing over top of the hill to our backs. The good news is, there's our lake. Just like that, we have blue sky, a view down to Ohau and Ruatana from the background. Had a fire here a wee while ago. Got all the way down to the village. End of day 28. Tennis court below us. They all could have some afternoon games. Ohau Lodge. Time to get off our feet.
Yes.
For all you Eddie Murphy fans, hi, it's hot in the hot tub. Hey, want to get in the hot tub? Ow, it's hot in the hot tub. Hi. Not a bad view though. We didn't know what we were going to have for dinner, so we opted for the nachos for breakfast as well.